What's up, guys? So here's the patch, a requested patch for We Will Rock You by Queen, and I named it as Brian May. Pardon my voice at the moment because I got man flu. Let's crack on. So Vox combo, I reduced the gain, I put it on 10, tube 30, level 100, treble 44, mid 50, bass 49, presence 53, cab, Vox combo 2x12, and output line. Next to it, I changed the T-Scream or Tube Screamer into MetalWorld. Gain 70, tone 70, level 100. And then I retain everything, the Detune, which is cent 5, pred 8, mix 70, tone 7, level 100. The last bit is the Arena Reverb, decay 15, tone 7, mix 56, pred 90, level 100, tail off. That's it, that's my Brian May. But before the solo begins, Brian May did a bit of that feedback sound. So what I did was I put, if you go to patch settings, there we go, I renamed it as Brian May pedal, and then here this is MetalWorld and then gain. So the pedal now, if you turn it 0 and then you press on it, that's when the gain will come in. That will give you the effect that Brian May got before he starts his solo. I hope this helps. You can always tweak around with what I'm doing because it depends with the guitar you're using. Also, choose the suitable pickup. I tried the neck, I tried both pickup of my SG, and then the bridge pickup. Don't rely too much on the Zoom G1xOn. This is just a guide. You can increase the gain, lower the gain, change the amp, etc, etc. But it's just a guide. So hope this one helps, guys, and see you again soon. Bye for now.